Welcome on Easy Learning. Now we are going to cover next question of FST-1. It is question number 3. Discuss the salient aspects of structure of sun and various activities going on in it. Answer: the sun is the closest star of our planet since ancient time. It has been considered the head of the universe. In the solar system, this star has 9 planets, including satellites, asteroids, and comets. The planets have been arranged from descending to ascending order in the form of distance and organized in Mercury, Buddha, Venus, Shukra, Earth, Prithvi, Mars, Mangal, Jupiter, Brihaspati, Saturn, Shani, Uranus, Arun, Neptune, Varun, and Pluto, Yam. Around the Sun, there are innumerable asteroids and comets. Except Mercury and Venus, all the planets have natural satellites. In the solar system, the Sun is very unique. It is approximately 2 into 10 power 33 gram in mass. Out of them, 98.87% is the entire solar system. The Earth is 110 times smaller than Sun in diameter. In this way, the volume of the Sun is very vast and has a capacity of holding million Earths inside it. The mass of the Earth is 300,000 times lesser than the Sun, whose average density in mass is 1.4 gram centimeter cube. The Sun also rotates on its axis at least one time on every 25 days. The dark patches or sunspots are seen on it from time to time. This is the indication of its rotation. It was confirmed by Galileo. Actually, the sunspots consists of 1000 degrees Celsius cooler than the surrounding area. It is the region on the surface. The sunspots change in number of times. It keeps on increasing and decreasing on every 11 years. In the long period of time, the periods of low number of sunspots and high number of sunspots are realized. The photosphere demarcates the body of the Sun from its atmosphere like Earth. The body of the Sun is also made of several layers, and the visible layer is called the photosphere. Photosphere also consists of its diameter of the Sun. The photosphere plays significant roles. Its temperature is about 6000 degrees Celsius. Like Earth, plates, channels, core, the Sun has also its core, which produces energy through nuclear reaction. Besides photosphere and core, there are also other layers like Earth sphere. As above mentioned, the Sun has also its atmosphere, and due to atmosphere, it has several layers. The outermost layer, which is called the corona, cannot be seen due to the Brilliana, Brilliana, Brilliana of the photosphere, but when it is solar eclipse, it can be clearly seen as the corona spreads all the direction up to the Earth's orbit and even beyond. The Sun's family is completely influenced by the powerful outflow of material from the Sun's atmosphere. This material continuously outflow and travel across the solar system, affecting the planets with their charged particles, electron and protons. These charged particles travel rapidly in a stream forming the solar wind. Earth atmosphere reacts with this charged particle in the form of atoms to produce aurora, aurora borealis, borealis, as northern lights in North Pole, and aurora australis, australis, aurora australis as southern lights at the South Pole. It shows the true nature of light. The form, the solar wind, at least a metrical million ton material, okay, is removed and dispersed at every second from the sun. The sun's surface and atmosphere are completely connected with the solar floor, FLORE, that represents dynamic activity. In a very short time, the massive energy is released. Mostly it occurs in the neighborhood of a sunspot. The sudden eruption of energy is released in the form of light, radio waves, X rays, and solar materials with protons and electrons.